Hi Andy, Namaste. Welcome to Likit Creations. In this video, I explained total worksheets of lesson number 6, Geometry, 5th class, semester 2. Let us start worksheet 1. Here, subtopic is point of line segment. Answer the following questions. First one, draw some points and name them. So, we have to keep the points like this and name them like ABC or PQRS. Question number 2. Draw some points and draw as many line segments as many as possible and name. Here you have to keep the points like this A, B, C, D, E. After that you have to join them with ruler. Here line segments are AB, AC, BE and ED, etc. Third question. The number of points are required to determine a line segment are. Answer. We need two endpoints to determine a line segment. Fourth question. Write both pairs of opposite line segments in the figure given below. Here given rectangle. In this figure, first opposite pair is AB and DC and second opposite pair is AD and BC. Let us move on worksheet 2. Here subtopic is ray and straight line. First question, draw rays OA, OB, OC and OD with the help of a ruler. Here given one figure, you have to use ruler and join them. We get OA, OB, OC and OD rays. Here given first question A, which is the initial point of OB? Answer is O is the initial point of OB. And another question B, which is the initial point of OD ray? Answer is O is the initial point of OD. Second question, name the pair of opposite rays from the figure given below. So from this figure, first pair is OP ray and OT ray. Second one, OS ray and OQ ray. Question number 3. Draw maximum number of straight lines passing through the point A in the given figure. Is there any limit in the number of lines passing through it? So here there is no limit. We can draw infinite lines passing through point A. Fourth question, identify and write the horizontal and vertical lines in the given figure. From this figure, horizontal lines are AB and DC, vertical lines are AD and BC. Next, worksheet 3. Here, subtopic is ray and angle. From this table, first figure, angle read as angle ABC and symbol, this is angle symbol, and vertex, here vertex is B and arms are BA and BC. From the second one, angle read as angle PQR and this is the symbol of angle and vertex Q and arms are QP and QR. Next, second question, give some examples for acute and obtuse angles from your classroom. Before going to the solution, we have to know about the acute angle and obtuse angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degrees. Obtuse means greater than 90 degrees. So first one, letter V forms an acute angle. And second one, an angle between two fingers is an acute angle. Third one, the angle between adjacent sides of the bucket is obtuse angle. Next, third question, Draw a diagram of a clock where the angle between the hands is 90 degrees. Here we can draw the diagrams like this, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. In these two diagrams showing 90 degrees between hour hand and minute hand. Question number 4. Give some examples in your classroom for right angle. Here given the angle between the adjacent sides of the blackboard is 90 degrees. So it is right angle. In the same way, letter L also makes right angle, and windows, adjacent sides of the windows make right angle. Next, worksheet 4. Here subtopic is types of angles. First question, which type of angles is formed by the two hands in each of the clocks given? So from first clock, here the angle between the two hands is right angle. That means it is 90 degrees. So it is right angle. And second clock showing acute angle, because here angle between the two hands is less than 90 degrees. So it is acute angle. And third clock showing obtuse angle, because it is greater than 90 degrees. So it is obtuse angle. And fourth clock is showing acute angle. Question number 2. Observe which type of angles are formed in the following name. So here given name Jaya, letters J, A, Y, A. We have to count the number of right angles. Here if you observe clearly, J has 3 right angles, and letter A has 3 acute angles and 2 obtuse angles, and Y has 1 acute angle and 2 obtuse angles, and another A also has 3 acute angles and 2 obtuse angles. Totally here number of right angles are 3 and number of acute angles are 7 and number of obtuse angles are 6. Number 3 from worksheet 4. Write the type acute obtuse right of the angle given below. First one, angle ABC equal to 60 degrees. It is less than 90 degrees, so it is acute angle. And B, angle XYZ equal to 90 degrees. It is right angle. And C, angle PQR equal to 120 degrees. It is greater than 90 degrees, so it is obtuse angle. And the last one, angle MSH equal to 85 degrees. It is also less than 90 degrees. That means it is acute angle. Question number 4. Label each angle acute, right or obtuse angle. If you observe the first picture, the angle between the two adjacent sides is greater than 90 degrees. So it is obtuse angle. And in the second picture, the angle between the two adjacent sides is less than 90 degrees. That means it is acute angle. And third one is showing 90 degrees. So it is right angle. Sheet 5. So first question from worksheet 5. Measure each of the following angles using the protractor and write the measure. Here you have to use the protractor and measure carefully. So first picture showing 50 degrees and second picture is 90 degrees and third picture showing 100 degrees. Second question, classify the following angles. Here given angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 100 degrees, 50 degrees, 75 degrees and 110 degrees, 135 degrees and 120 degrees. So here we have to classify into three types: acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. Already we know about the acute angles. That means acute angle means it is less than 90 degrees. Right angle means exactly 90 degrees. And obtuse angle means greater than 90 degrees. That means above 90 degrees. So acute angle means here 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 50 degrees, and 75 degrees are under the acute angle, and 90 degrees is a right angle, and 100 degrees, 135 degrees, 110 degrees, and 120 degrees are we have to write under the obtuse angles. Next, question number 3. Write the type of angle. That means acute, right, or obtuse angle. So, first one A, 70 degrees. That means it is less than 90 degrees. So, it is acute angle. B, 40 degrees. It is also less than 90 degrees. So, it is also acute. And C, 115 degrees. It is above 90 degrees. That means greater than 90 degrees. It is obtuse angle. And D, 90 degrees. That means it is right angle. And E, 85 degrees. It is also less than 90 degrees. So it is acute angle. And finally F, 150 degrees. It is greater than 90 degrees. That means it is obtuse angle. Fourth question, draw the following angles using protractor. Here given angles are 50 degrees, 90 degrees, and 120 degrees. Here you have to use the protractor and ruler, and you have to draw the angles like this. Okay. Worksheet 6. Subtopic is closed and open figures. First question, which of the following are simple closed figures? From these figures, A, C, D, G and H are the simple closed figures. And one more thing you have to observe here, E and F also closed figures, but they are intersecting. That's why they are not simple closed figures. Question number 2. Join A to B and C to D with line segments. Here we have to use ruler and first join A to B and C to D. Okay. Question number 3. Join M to S, S to G and M to G with curved lines. Here given M, S, G points. We have to join M to S with curved line. Similarly, S to G and M to G also join with the curved lines. Worksheet 7. Here subtopic is symmetry. First question, which of the following objects are symmetrical? Here given total 8 objects. In these 8 objects, D, F and G objects are in symmetrical. Question number 2. Mention the letters which look same in the mirror. Here A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y are look same in the mirror. Worksheet 8. Question number 1 from worksheet 8. Draw the line symmetry for each of the following figures. From figure A, we can draw one symmetry line like this, and B also only one symmetry line, and C here given a square. It has 4 symmetrical lines. We have to draw like this. Question number 2. Write 3 letters of English alphabet that have only one line symmetry and 3 letters of English alphabet that have 2 lines of symmetry. Letters A, T and V have only one line symmetry, and letters I, H and X have 2 lines of symmetry. Question number 3. A line is drawn on each shape of the following figures. Is it a line symmetry? Write yes or no in the blanks. From the figure A, it is a symmetrical line, so there you have to write yes. And B figure also symmetrical, so there also you have to write yes. And C is not in symmetrical, you have to write there no. Worksheet 9. Here subtopic is rotation. First question. Give off a turn to the numbers from 0 to 9. Find which numbers will look the same. Answer is 0, 1, 8 numbers will look the same after a on-off turn. Question number 2. Which of the following English words appear same after a on-off turn? Here given words are zoom, MOW, SWIMS, SIS and NOON. Here SWIMS and SIS, NOON words are appear same after an off turn. Worksheet 10. Number 3. Draw the following shapes by making a quarter turn and off turn in the boxes provided. Here given shapes are triangle, square, rectangle and hexagon. After on quarter turn, the given figures will be changed like this. And after an off turn, the given figures will be changed like this. Question number 4. From the above, which shapes do not look the same on quarter turn? Which shapes do not look the same on off turn? Here, triangle, rectangle, and hexagon do not look the same on quarter turn, and triangle do not look the same on off turn. Worksheet 11. Here subtopic is series. What should come next? Here first we have to observe the given series. After that we have to draw the another figure based on given three figures. Okay, like this, clearly observe and draw like this. Remaining problems also same like this, only first observe the given series and we have to draw the another one based on that three figures. Okay. Worksheet 12. Find the perimeter of each shape. Perimeter means we have to find the total length of the all sides of the given figure. From A, here given triangle, total lengths of three sides equal to 5 plus 7 plus 6 equal to 18 centimeters. So perimeter of figure A equal to 18 centimeters. In the same way, we have to find the perimeter of remaining figures also. From B, perimeter equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 12 centimeters and figure C, perimeter equal to 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 equal to 18 centimeters and figure D, perimeter equal to 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 20 centimeters. Figure E, here given T shape, so perimeter of this one equal to 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 26 centimeters. And F1, perimeter of F equal to 10 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 10 plus 14 equal to 58 centimeters. And in the same way, perimeter of G equal to 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 28 centimeters. Last one, Perimeter of figure H equal to 11 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 11 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 58 centimeters. Worksheet 13. Question number 1 from worksheet 13. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 5 centimeters. Here given shape is square. Square means all sides are equal. So perimeter equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 20 centimeters. Question number 2. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeters and breadth is 8 centimeters. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So perimeter of the rectangle equal to 12 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8 equal to 40 centimeters. Question number 3. Balu wants to build a fence around his rectangular land whose length is 30 meters and breadth is 20 meters. How much wire does he need around build fence to his land? Here we have to draw the rectangular figure like this. Here opposite sides are equal. Total perimeter equal 30 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20 equal to 100 meters. So he need 100 meters wire. Worksheet 14. Here subtopic is area. Area means occupying place of the things. Find the area of following figures. Here totally given 6 figures. Now we have to find these total 6 figures of area. Area of figure 1 equal to 4 square centimeters and area of figure 2 equal to 8 square centimeters. And third one, area of figure 3 equal to 4 square centimeters. Area of figure 4 equal to 5.5 square centimeters. Area of figure 5 equal to 8 square centimeters. Last one, area of figure 6 equal to 9 square centimeters. Here each box is 1 square centimeter. Worksheet 15. Here given word problems on area. First problem, the length of a book is 26 centimeters and its breadth is 20 centimeters. Find the area of its cover. Length of a book equal to 26 centimeters and the breadth of a book equal to 20 centimeters. Formula of area equal to length into breadth equal to 26 into 20. We have to multiply both numbers, then we get 520 square centimeters. Answer is 520 square centimeters. Second question, the length and breadth of a rectangular classroom are 35 meters and 25 meters respectively. Find its area. When length of a classroom equal to 35 meters and breadth of a classroom equal to 25 meters. Formula of area equal to length into breadth equal to 35 into 25. By the multiplication, we get the answer 875 square meters. So, area of classroom equal to 875 square meters. Question number 3. Find the area of the given squares whose first one side equal to 5 centimeters. Already we know about the square. Square has 4 equal sides. Here area of square equal to side into side, that means S into S. Here given side equal to 5 centimeters. Then 5 into 5 equal to 25 square centimeters. Area of this square equal to 25 square centimeters. Second one, B problem, here given side equal to 30 centimeters. So area of square equal to side into side. Here side equal to 30 centimeters. So 30 into 30 equal to 900 square centimeters. Next one, assessment. First problem, count the number of line segments and write their names. Here given figure is cuboid. It has 12 sides. Then the number of line segments equal to 12. They are AD, BC, DC, AB, GH, EF, HE, GF, HA, EB, GD and FC. Second one, fill in the blanks. First one, a line segment has dash endpoints. We know that line segment has two endpoints. So answer is 2. Second one, a ray has dash endpoints. Answer is 1. Third one, a line has dash endpoints. Answer is no. Next one, a dash has a definite length. Answer is line segment. Last one, a dash has no length, breadth or thickness. Answer is point. Third question, answer the following questions with the help of the figure given below. First one, represent the above line in 3 different ways. So we can represent like this: AE line, BC line segment, BE ray. Next one, B. State any two pairs of rays, BE ray and CE ray. Next one, write possible line segments, BC, CD, DE, etc. Fourth one, write the parts of the angle given below. Here given angle PQR. From this figure, vertex of angle is Q. And second one, this angle can be named as angle PQR or angle RQP. Last one, arms of the angle are QP and QR. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.